Ladies, it's time for Fab to Fit Season 2! Last year, the season was such a hit. I lost 4 kgs in a month and 2 inches off my waist as well. Plus, my skin was glowing. I felt really good about myself. But उसके बाद लाइफ थोड़ी रोलर कोस्टर सी हो गई and I never got disciplined about it. इसीलिए I'm bringing Fab to Fit again, but with a twist. अब twist क्या है वो तो मैं बाद में बताऊंगी, but be prepared for episodes like this where you and I talk about fitness, what to wear, what to eat, everything all in detail, and also shorts भी आएंगे. So yeah, it's gonna be bigger and much more amazing. So whoever is excited to join me on this journey, leave this emoji. Now coming to आज का episode, it's all about the biggest dilemma that we busty girls have when we have to start getting fit, which is what sports bra to wear. Trust me, अभी भी stop के अंदर मैंने sports bra नहीं पहनी, मैंने एक normal t-shirt bra पहनी है. But figure not, I have 5 new sports bras from 5 different brands across different budgets to try out in front of you. And don't worry, end में मेरे 2 tried and tested evergreen options भी share करूँगी. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Let's start and hit the red button also if you're watching me for the very first time. This is Ishita, your internet big sister who talks about affordable beauty, mid-size fashion and a lot more. So yeah, join the Sunflower Squad and let's begin. Also, all the items that I'm showing are from Amazon. They are having their Valentine's Day sale where you get up to 50 to 60% off on all these brands. Literally, I have sports bra that is starting from just 300 rupees thanks to this sale. So yeah. Make the most out of the sale. Okay, so सबसे पहले we are starting with the Chlovia's medium impact full cup sports bra. It is very comfortable. The material and all feels good on my skin. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि वो heavy strap से मेरे कंधे टूट रहे हैं. It's a light medium impact sports bra like it's mentioned, and the fact that it's just for 300 has to be accounted for. It doesn't come with paddings, of course. With your tight tops, it's gonna be an issue. या तो आप nipple covers लगा के इसे पहनो. I will say it's very comfortable. I feel very free in it, but I also know it's not for heavy impact. You know, bungee jumping and running wali exercises. If you're somebody who's just doing yoga or just light brisk walk, you know, low impact workouts के लिए this is great. This can actually be great for deadlifts and you know, just chest workout जिसमें आपको ज़्यादा कूदना फिरना नहीं है उसके लिए this is actually not a bad option at all. If your budget is really low, you can go for this one and इसके नीचे अपनी कोई और you know normal t-shirt bra पहन लो. I know this might sound really wrong and weird, but trust me, I have myself worn 2 bras and gone for workouts because उस ज़माने में high impact workout bras ही नहीं होती थी and nor did I have a budget for it. So कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. पीपल स्टिल गो फॉर 2 ब्रास बिकॉज कोई भी उनके बस को एक्चुअली सूट ही नहीं करता है, फिट नहीं करता है, प्रॉपर सपोर्ट नहीं देता है. कमिंग बैक टू दिस ब्रा, इट गेट्स 3.5 फ्रॉम मी. आई वुड हैव लव्ड अगर इसमें हल्की सी पैडिंग होती, क्योंकि मीडियम इम्पैक्ट स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा के लिए दिस इज एक्चुअली रियली रियली गुड. इट्स जस्ट नॉट हैविंग कप्स एंड नॉट हैविंग पैडिंग is making me a little shy. मैं इसलिए jacket पहन के भी कर रही हूँ because literally I would have to blur things वरना. Next I have something from a brand that I discovered last year from Amazon itself, Van Heusen. Of course you know this brand, but I did not know कि वो lingerie भी बनाता है, वो भी इतनी top notch quality. Anyways, this time I'm trying their proactive medium impact cotton racerback sports bra, which comes with padding as well, and that is the reason I am standing in front of you like this because कोई ऐसी nipple show का issue नहीं हो रहा है. I am in love with this. ये medium impact cotton bra बोलने लायक है. It's actually way more comparable to the high impact sports bra that come under 800 का bracket. By the way, अभी की sale के time पे you can get this for just 700 rupees as well. I have done a little dance in it as well and I can vouch for it. You do not need to wear another layer of bra inside it. Things will not move. Your babies will be intact. And side से भी इतना thick band है. You don't have to worry about side spillage and ऊपर से भी इतनी high coverage है. सामने से भी कुछ नहीं उठेगा. So I am in love. This has to be one of my favorite finds from this video. अभी से ही बोल रही हूँ and this gets a solid 4.5 from me. I love it. The material, the impact, the coverage, everything is too good. This is a proper medium impact sports bra. I love it. Go for it. If you're even 10% active on Instagram, then मैं मान ही नहीं सकती आपने इस ब्रांड का नाम नहीं सुना होगा. Yes, I'm talking about Bliss Club, जिनकी flared leggings, workout leggings are top notch. By the way, that is what I'm wearing here as well. These are the Bliss Club, जो उनकी original workout leggings आई थी वो. I worked with them in 2022 and I'm still wearing the same leggings. That says a lot about the brand and its quality. But talking about this sports bra, this is the ultimate support sports bra which comes with adjustable straps. पीछे 3 hook closure भी दिया हुआ है. इसका नीचे का support band is thicker than what we've tried so far today, and the sports bra come with a little bit of padding as well, so you don't get any spillage or any nipple show at all. If they're calling it as ultimate support sports bra, then I'm counting this as one of the higher impact sports bra. For that, I feel I'm a little disappointed. जितना दिल से I love their leggings, utna hi somehow I'm always disappointed by their sports bra. Same is the case with this one as well. I love it. It's very good, but the impact is not there. I feel like jitna mujhe support and pressure and just impact chahiye to keep things in place, that is missing here. It's just not enough as a high impact sports bra. I mean, I would prefer the Van Heusen one over this. So yeah, talking about the pros as well, it is one of the softest sports bra that I've ever put on. The quality is such कि मुझे लग रहा है मैंने कोई seamless t-shirt पहन रखी है. It's so smooth, so soft. The material and everything is top notch, but impact is missing, especially for a DD cup person. If you are somewhere B cup or C cup, this would be just enough for you. I know Bliss Club की चीजें would last you सालों तक. I can vouch for it personally. So yeah, if you are C cup, try this. Go out for this. Varna, if you are a D cup, I would say there are better brands out there and I'm going to try them ahead. But one thing I have to appreciate about Bliss Club, their sizing. This bra comes till 4XL ka size. ये तो मैं appreciate करूंगी. I mean, this is real inclusivity, guys. And now let's try out the other one. Next, we're trying out Enamore Sports Y panel for bounce control sports bra in the size XL. Literally, this is the sports bra जिसमें मेरी नजर at least 8 महीनों से है, and I knew my size is L, but वो हमेशा sold out रहती थी, तो इसलिए मैंने थक हार के XL आज try कर ली, and I am not disappointed at all. This is a proper high impact sports bra that I can vouch for. It has adjustable straps all the way पीछे तक. आप पूरा adjust कर सकते हो इसको, इतना ऊपर तक ले जा सकते हो that the compression on your boobs is the max. Talking about the molds, it's not just regular padding, they are proper molds. इन molds की वजह से ही आपको सबसे ज़्यादा pressure and सबसे ज़्यादा impact feel होता है on your breast, and they have it. One of my most favorite bras have it, and वो काफ़ी महंगी आती है, but this one is I think under 1300 rupees right now if I'm not wrong, and I am in love. पीछे 3 hook closure भी दिया हुआ है, side में भी enough width है so that you don't get any boob spillage at all. I am in love with this one. कभी कभी होता है ना किसी चीज का बहुत टाइम तक वेट करो एंड जब वो आपको फाइनली मिलता है एंड इट स्टैंड्स ऑन ऑल योर एक्सपेक्टेशन, वो खुशी जो होती है ना, मुझे अभी वही फील हो रही है. दिस ब्रा आई थिंक विल इजिली मेक इट टू माई टॉप 3 स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा ऑफ ऑल टाइम. मैंने इस पर थोड़ा सा साइड में जाके जंप वगैरह करके भी देखा. इट लिटरली गिव्स मी द कंप्रेशन जो मेरी एक बहुत एक्सपेंसिव स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा देती है. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, सॉरी जस्ट लेडीज, इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर द स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा ऑफ योर ड्रीम, this is the most budget option and you should go for it. And I love the color and shape and style of it as well. Like, it's not bad at all. And your molds वगैरह actually are really effective, so go get it. I am wearing the size XL, but मेरा hook ना already last hook पे है, तो मतलब अगर मैंने थोड़ा सा weight lose किया तो ये lose हो जाएगी. Okay, I just checked, ये 2 shades में आते हैं, and this has to be the greatest deal on this bra ever. Don't miss out on this, guys. The sports bra जिसके लिए मैं सबसे ज़्यादा excited हूँ, because this is from the brand I have found my ultimate sports bra from. It's called Triumph. इनके साथ मैंने collab किया था I think 23 के beginning में, and they gave me the best bras that have lasted me for a lifetime almost. I'm trying out this one from them this time. It's their open front tri action, the one that is perfect for cardio apparently on their side, but I am wearing the size 32D and it's not enough. The cup is not enough. Things are just oozing out of it and I'm not comfortable with it. इसलिए आप मुझे पहने हुए भी नहीं देख रहे हो. It's too tight on me and this would cost you 2000 rupees. मैंने इसको literally last के लिए इसलिए बचा के रखा था because I knew this would just kill it. Because मेरी favorite bra of all time is from this brand, but this is not the variant I would suggest. Which brings me to my most favorite sports bra of all time, जो मैं literally हर दिन पहनती हूँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया में whenever I'm working out. It's from Triumph Tri-Action. This one, it comes with adjustable straps. Molds बने हुए हैं cups की जगह. The one जैसे Enamore में था वैसे molds, and this would cost you 3000 rupees. I think उसके कुछ sizes प्राइसेस अभी 2000 के अंदर है, बट दिस इज द स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा दैट गिव्स मी द अल्टीमेट सपोर्ट। चाहे मैं बर्पीज कर रही हूँ या फिर हाई नी कर रही हूँ, मैं चाहे जितनी भी कूदने वाली एक्सरसाइज कर लूँ ना, लिटरली अगर आपने मेरा गुड़गांव वाला फेस देखा था जहाँ मैं कल फिट जाती थी एंड लिटरली आई वुड बी डांसिंग, आई वुड बी जंपिंग अराउंड, दिस वाज द स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा दैट gave me the comfort all throughout that phase and I still wear it. So that speaks a lot about the quality of Triumph. It's just I'm wearing the variant that just doesn't work for me. काफी अच्छा support वगैरह है, it's just the cup size is not enough. So if you are a size C से below, you can go for it. वरना this is the ultimate sports bra of my dreams, and if you have the budget, go for it. You wouldn't regret at all. Unfortunately, मैं अपनी favorite sports bra ऑस्ट्रेलिया ही भूल के आ गई हूँ, but it's also because I was excited to try out different bras from newer brands this time, and I hope it was a helpful one. I hope you found something for you, your body type, and your budget as well. Let me know what else would you want from me. I would be happy to make it for you. This brings us to the end of today's video. Let me know what else would you want on this channel, and also what else should I cover for the Fab to Fit challenge this time for next episode, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.